Let's try and understand allied angle. Let me take an example of sine n pi by 2 plus or minus theta, alright, is equal to what? Now, n could be either odd or could be even. Now let's take an example of sine 3 pi by 2 plus theta. Now, whenever n is odd, what happens is counterpart of trigo function drops in over here. Now, if this is sine, it would be cos. If it would have been cot, this would have been tan. If this would have been cosec, this would have been sec. Got it? Okay. And theta. Now, we are interested in finding out this sign plus or minus. Alright, so what do? We get into unit circle. In unit circle. Now, this is what is x-axis. This is what is y-axis. Alright, so in x-axis, we know since it's a unit circle, so it would be 1, 0, and this would be minus 1, 0. Okay, and this obviously would be 0, 1, and this would be 0, minus 1. Alright, so now we are talking in terms of sine 3 pi by 2. We have got to, for finding out plus or minus, we have got to check out for left hand side trigo function. Alright, so what SIGN sign would be for left hand side trigo function? So that is 3 pi by 2. So this is 0, pi by 2, 2 pi by 2, 3 pi by 2. 3 pi by 2 plus theta. So it would be coming in fourth quadrant. And in fourth quadrant, we know that sign is negative. So we will have to put here negative sign. Okay. Following the same line, let's understand now about cot. Now if we take cot as example, cot 5 by 2 minus theta. Now cot is also odd number. So what is going to happen is cot is going to get converted to tan theta. Okay. And the sign, how is it positive? Let's check it out. 1 pi by 2, 2, 3, 4 pi by 2 would be here. Pi by 2 would be here. Minus theta. So it would come in first quadrant, and in first quadrant, cos and sine both are positive. So it would be positive. Similarly, if we take now even, cos n even. Alright. Now let's take even as example. N as even. So cos 4 pi by 2 minus theta. Cos remains cos. And 4 pi by 2 minus theta. For sine, let's check out this now. Keep in mind that in case of even left hand side, right hand side trigo functions are the same, but still please tell yourself that it is always the LHS side trigo function we have got to choose for selecting sign, that is plus or minus sign. Okay, so that there won't be any confusion later on. Alright, okay, so for cos 4 pi by 2, so 4 pi by 2 comes over here, minus theta, so it comes in fourth quadrant. Now in fourth quadrant, we know cos is positive, so it's positive. When we take tan 10 pi by 2 plus theta, even, so tan remains tan theta. Now 10 pi by 2, and so it is 4 pi by 2, 8 pi by 2, 9 pi by 2, 10 pi by 2, 10 pi by 2 plus theta, so it would move in here. And that is third quadrant. In third quadrant, we know that this is sine is negative, cos is also negative, so it would be positive. Alright, this would be positive tan theta. Alright, because tan is sine over cos.